A lot of Android tablets have an SD card slot that you can use to expand your storage. Great way to add more storage to your device, but it's important to use a quality micro SD card that's fast and reliable. I'll link my go-to card in the description below. On your tablet, you'll usually see a card slot like this. Some might have an open slot where you push the card in, but this is more common. A slot that has a little pinhole for opening it. You'll need something small like a paperclip to open it. Just push it in and the tray pops open. If you look at the card tray, you'll see it has a cutout that matches the shape of the micro SD card. That's how you'll align and insert the card. It doesn't exactly lock in, but you'll need to position it so it's nice and flush in order for the tray to fit back inside. Also make sure you're putting it in the right way. The pinhole up top is a good way to make sure the tray is facing the right way. When putting the card in, it might feel like it doesn't fit. Mine feels like something is blocking it. Don't force it, just make sure the card sits flush with the tray and keep slightly wiggling it to find the correct alignment. It has to be just right, but once you find the right angle, the card goes in pretty easily. Once your card is in, swipe down from the top left corner to view your notifications. You'll see a notification about the card. In my case, the card was in a wrong format, so I can tap the notification and format the card to be compatible with my tablet. Just keep in mind that formatting the card will delete everything on it. Your notification could also look like this. Card inserted, that's all. Tap it, and you'll see the folder structure of the card. You can always format the card later if needed. Just go to Settings, scroll down to Device Care, and from there choose Storage. You'll see your internal storage first, and with a swipe you can inspect the SD card details. Tap the three dots up top, and you can unmount or format the card. Sometimes formatting is needed for all your apps to recognize the card properly, so it's a good starting point, especially if you're using a new card with nothing on it. That's it. Click the like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.